Did you know that breastfeeding is a natural vaccine against diabetes? Well, yes, your milk actually protects your child from this disease which is becoming more and more common every year, diabetes. Welcome to Healthy Beginnings Initiative, and I am Hilda, your lactation counselor and your transformational genomic wellness consultant. Today on this video, let us decode or see how beneficial is breastfeeding in helping our children combat or even not to acquire diabetes as a health condition in their lifelong ages. Let us see more in this video. So, formula fed babies have higher risk of type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Let's see how. Point number 1, the immune system programming, type 1 diabetes. So, in type 1 diabetes, normally the immune system starts to attack the insulin producing cells in the pancreas. But breast milk automatically, or it has antibodies, immune cells, and protective proteins that actually teach the baby's immune system to recognize what is safe and what is not safe. So, now on the other hand, when we have formula fed babies or babies who take formula from a very early age, this does not give this kind of education to the baby's immune system. In fact, when the babies are exposed to formula from a very early age, or basically the protein in the cow's milk, it will automatically trigger autoimmunity in genetically vulnerable babies. Also, let's see about type 2 diabetes. So, blood regulation or blood sugar regulation in type 2 diabetes. The breast milk has special hormones like insulin, leptin, and adiponectin. This helps the baby to regulate blood sugar and appetite. Now, formula, they lack these natural regulators. So, the formula fed babies, they are more likely to develop insulin resistance. That is when the body does not respond well to the insulin, meaning insulin is present, it's made by the pancreas, but the body is not able to respond well to the insulin in the body. So, over time, the insulin resistance will increase, and this will give a higher chance of getting childhood obesity and later type 2 diabetes. Number 3 tells us about weight and metabolism, meaning breastfed babies, they learn to self-regulate feeding. That is, they know to stop when they are full. While formula fed babies, they are more often encouraged to finish the entire bottle even if they are already full. So, this can lead to overeating, rapid weight gain, and higher fat storage around the belly. This is a key factor for diabetes. And the fourth point states about gut health and the microbiome, meaning the breast milk, it has prebiotics called as HMOs or human milk oligosaccharides and probiotics. These help to have a healthy gut microbiome. But this does not happen in formula fed babies with the formula. Also, a healthy gut is equal to better metabolism, lower inflammation in the body, and a stronger protection against diabetes. So, formula cannot replicate this beautiful quality of breast milk, and then hence the babies do not have a good gut microbiome. So in summary, what we understood from this whole aspect of breast milk in the help of diabetes prevention or reduction, or not even having diabetes later in the later life of the child, breastfeeding doesn't just feed the baby, it actually programs the immune system, it balances the blood sugar, and it also teaches metabolism for life. Whereas formula fed babies, they miss out on this protective signals, which is why they are at a risk for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes in their later life. So, if you felt this is really powerful and informative, do share it with your breastfeeding mothers or friends who are planning to be pregnant or are in this phase of breastfeeding so that they could benefit from this information too. Do comment below what was your biggest learning that you learned from this video today. And we will meet each other in the next video. Do like the channel, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. We will meet soon.